Hey everybody, James here with Laughing Dragon Foundries. So first of all, I want to say thank you for stopping by our channel, checking out what we have to offer here. I personally got into 3D printing about 7 years ago, and over the past 2 years, we have gone from one printer to over 30 printers, both FDM and resin, and they're printing around the clock, creating everything that we make, both things that we design as well as commission products from other artists. Our content is going to be aimed at a couple of different groups. First of all, if you're a beginner and you're having troubles getting your printer either set up, or if you've been printing for a while but you're having some issues that you can't seem to sort out, we're here to help you get your feet under you and help you sort out those problems. Then you've got the other end of the spectrum, which is the person that has been in 3D printing for a while and has decided that maybe they want to turn this into at least a side hustle. We want to give you some pointers and tips and tricks and things that we've learned along the way, both good and bad, to help you navigate those waters of getting your business off the ground. Again, I'm James with Laughing Dragon Foundries. Really appreciate you being here. Be sure to subscribe, like, follow, check out all of our content. Don't be afraid to comment and get involved in the conversation, because that's where we figure out what we're going to talk about next. We can talk about stuff all day long, but we need to know what you need to know in order to be the best printer you can. And yeah, I am going to do a dragon impression. Ready?